Hello student, myself Professor Gada Keses from SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Student, we are learning the final year subject that is nothing but the solar and wind energy. From that subject, we have started unit number 1 that is nothing but solar energy principles. From unit number 1, we have already discussed some topics. So let's see which topic we have discussed. Solar energy scenario, world energy features, solar radiation and its measurement also we have seen. Then we have seen solar constant, how to measure that also we have seen. Then we have seen how does solar panel convert sunlight into the electrical energy. So which are the components involved in the solar panel, that also we have seen, and how does that solar panel will convert sunlight into the electrical energy, that we have seen. Now in the today's lecture we are going to see the last point related to the unit number 1, that are nothing but applications of solar energy, that means where that solar energy is utilized. Then advantages and disadvantages of the solar energy also we are going to see. So let's see one by one. So first we will see applications of solar energy. So first application is given here. Solar power plant is powering cities in the most efficient manner. That means for producing the electricity for the household purposes, we are using the solar panel and we are using the solar energy. Second application is that solar panel could be used to generate electricity individually for each house, especially in the remote areas. That means what? For the particular house also we can use the solar panel, and with the help of that solar panel we can generate the electricity for the household application. So that's are the advanced applications of the solar energy. Next point we are going to see, that is nothing but the advantages of the solar energy. So first advantage is that there are some 5 advantages are given related to the solar energy. So first advantage is that best renewable source of the energy. That means as we know the solar energy is not going to end. So that is nothing but renewable energy sources, and that energy is of the free of cost. So that is the best renewable source of energy, so we can use that energy source to conserve the remaining source of the energy. So solar energy is available to us along as the sun is available, and practically speaking it is the best alternative to all non-renewable energy sources. Sun is not going to anywhere till thousand of the year, and hence solar energy will be there for these thousands of the year. Do you know when the sun will be going to vanish? As per the scientists, after 5 billion years from now, sunlight will not be there. So, sunlight of solar energy is available to us for the very long period of the times. All of you understand that? That's why that is the best renewable energy source. Second advantage is that easy maintenance. That means only the installation charges for the sun energy or solar panel system is higher, but they have the very minimum maintenance charge, and it is easy to maintain also. That is the second advantage. Third advantage is that a large number of the applications, that means solar energy can be used in the large number of applications, solar cookers, solar electricity generations. So many applications are there where we can use the solar energy. So that is the third advantage, large number of applications. Fourth number of advantage is that save electricity bills. As the sun energy is in the free of cost, we have to pay the minimum generation on the electricity bill. So it will save us electricity bills. That is the advantage. Fifth advantage is that less pollution. That means for generating the electricity with the help of another input energy or input fossil fuels, we are producing the pollutions to environment also. But with the help of solar energy, no pollution will be created in the environment. So that is the advantage, that there will be the less pollution with the help of solar energy. So that's are the 5 advantages of the solar energy. It is the best renewable source of energy, easy to maintain, then large number of applications are there, it saves the electricity bills, and fifth advantage is that less pollution is happen due to the solar energy. So that's our advantages of the solar energy. But though it have the advantages, it also have some disadvantages or limitation. So let's see which are the disadvantages. So 4 disadvantages are given for the solar energy. First disadvantage is that high cost. Maintenance cost is lower, that we have seen the advantage, but high cost means what? The initial installation cost or initial purchase cost is very higher for the solar power plant or solar system. That's why it has a higher cost. That means it is not affordable for the single household applications to install the solar system. Second disadvantage is that effect of outer environments. Outer environment means what? It will affect as long the sun is there, sun energy is there. Though solar cell may help you in case of the rainy conditions, there is also restriction on the efficiency of the solar cell. In the rainy season, your solar energy system may get affected. That means what? It is totally depends on the environmental conditions. That is the disadvantage. Third disadvantage is that considerable space is required. That means for set up the solar power plants, considerable space is required to set up that. So that is the disadvantage. Large number of space is required. Fourth disadvantage is that small amount of pollution may be there. That means we are saying that no pollution, but small amount of pollution is there. Enough though it has been said that solar energy will not create any pollution, a small amount of pollution is there. While making the solar cell, toxic materials are toxic materials like the lead, gallium, arsenide are used. Apart from this, while transporting the solar system, little bit pollution is created. That means there is also some pollution associated with the solar system. So that's are some disadvantages. First one, high cost. Second one, effect of outer environment. Third disadvantage is that considerable space is required. And fourth disadvantage is that small amount of pollution may be there. All of you understand? So that's are some disadvantages along with the solar system. So in the today's lecture, we have seen applications of solar system, advantages of solar system, and disadvantages of the solar system. So today we will stop here for the today's lecture. Next lecture we will continue the next point. Thank you, friends.